So, is the same situation right now, or the jobs are limited now in US?
Jobs are much more limited now,
Okay.
but still therefore jobs are always available, I think, if you have something to
True.
show.
Right candidate, right place.
Candidate, I don't think there would be any problem getting a job.
Okay, that's great. So, with your first company, how was the journey in your first company? How did you work? You had a lot of opportunities. That is one thing that you are blessed with. But what are the things that you learn as a job when you're in job?
Yeah, when you want to learn, there are always opportunities. My first job was with Allied Chemicals.
Okay.
And Allied Chemicals, they were training you. They trained me in various areas. The first training area was great. I learned a lot and so on and so on. Then second training area, there was nothing to learn.
Okay.
People were, some people might wonder what was happening there. But there was a lot of inefficiency, and even my boss was not really interested in doing anything. So I thought at one time that I should go and suggest what we should be working on.
That's great. Okay.
So I took my initiative, go to my boss. I still remember his name was Henry Rogers, and I said, Henry, I think we should be working on these. I made a list of 20 or so projects, and I think we should be working on these. He goes through that. Yes, it's Sury, it's a good idea. But why are you worrying about it? Just stay there, have fun. I got my 80 points because he was pretty close to retirement.
Oh, okay.
So why don't you stay and have fun? That was not my objective. I wanted to learn, I wanted to progress, I was anxious and wanted to go. Then I called the supervisor, his boss. Senior. I said, please transfer me to another department because then he calls Henry.
Okay.
He says, he wants a transfer to some other department. He said, oh, no, I need Sury. And I said, what does he need me for? So at that time, I didn't need to, but I said, I'm just going to go to the smallest company that I can find.
Smallest company? Okay, yeah. Interesting.
And work there.
Okay.
And I want to see what I'm doing and what effect it has on the bottom line of the.
That's great. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share it with the people who need it the most, so that they can build their business and aspirations around their inventions. Keep innovating and keep earning tremendously. Thank you.